CTO mining, which is CTO mining, has ended on Satoshi mining application. And if you mine this token, then all you have to do is to submit your wallet for the token distribution. And we all have limited time to do that, which is between 11th of September till 18th of September. It means that between this range of period, you just have to make sure to submit your withdrawal wallet address. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can link up your withdrawal wallet address by using Metamask and also OEX. So without me wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you the right wallet address to copy and then how you can paste it successfully. So what you want to do right now is to open your Satoshi mining application, and then you just have to simply go to either you go to me, or on the airdrop page just click on this wallet icon right here. It will take you up to your assets page, and what you want to do right here is you want to locate the CTO. Just click on it, and here you will see link withdrawal address. So the first wallet I will be showing you how you can copy wallet address from is Metamask. So if you have Metamask on your phone, just open your Metamask with me. And if you don't have Metamask and you already have OES, just hold on, because I'll be showing you the right wallet address to also copy on OES. Don't worry, just pick a side. Either you are going with Metamask or you are going with OES. Either of the two will work fine. So firstly, let's open our Metamask. So once you open your Metamask, the interface is simply going to look like this. And I'm very sure you are familiar with this interface already. But then the main thing you have to focus on is that it's either you are on Ethereum network or you are on core network. Either of the two will surely work fine, or even the linear main network. Either of these network will work fine because they are all EVM wallet compatible wallet address. So for me, I have the Ethereum main network and I have the core DAO network as well. So I can choose either of the two. And if you are worried that you don't have the core DAO and you actually want to get it, all you have to do is to click on this discovery button down here. It will take you to a browser inside this MetaMask, and then all you just want to do is to click on this search. Once you click on the search, it will open a browser for you. It will open a browser for you where you can simply search. And what you want to search for is scan.core.o.org. Then you click on enter. Just wait for this core dashboard to load up, and then you scroll down to where you can see add core network. Once you click on this, core network will be added to your MetaMask, and then you will be able to see this core DAO network. So what you want to do is to simply click on this copy address and then head back to your Satoshi, and then you should be able to paste it here. And for the team OES, what you simply want to do is open your OES application, and then just make sure that your network is either core mainnet or OES mainnet. So mine is on core mainnet, and what I want to do is to copy this as well. So it's either you belong to MetaMask team or you belong to OES team. Either of the team, we are all going to win at the end of the day. So just go back to your Satoshi mining app and then paste it here. Then this is your asset password. And of course, you should remember your asset password always. So I will input my asset password right now. And if you are new to Satoshi, maybe this is your first time, then you just have to create a asset password for yourself, which I will be showing you how you can actually create that, or if you forget your password, how you can reset it at the end of this connection. So let's click the CTO link withdrawal address, confirm, and then a notification OTP will be sent to my email, which I just have to go and copy and then come back here to paste the code. So here is my code. I just have to copy it. So here's my code, which I just have to copy and then head back to my Satoshi and just paste it and then click on confirm. And as you can see, CTO withdrawal address link is successfully. So just have to close it. And if you are still seeing this link withdrawal asset again, you don't just have to worry about it. Just leave it, because that is how it's going to be unless the closing date arrives. And we all know the date that we actually have to do this. We have just few days. We have between the 11th of September to 18th of September to actually link this wallet. So no time to check time. Make sure to share this video for more miners so that they won't miss out the opportunity to link up their withdrawal address. And also, if you don't know how to set up your asset password, or you forget your password and you don't know how to reset it, just click on me and then you click on personal settings. Then here you will see asset password. If you click here, you will see here you just have to provide the old password. This is if you want to change your asset password, and if you forget your asset password, just click on forget asset password. And then, are you sure you need to reset your asset password? Just click on yes, and then you just have to know that you have to wait for 24 hours before you can link up or withdraw any assets from this Satoshi again. And that's basically how you can link your withdrawal address to Satoshi mining app. And as always, don't forget to like this video, share it for more tappers to see, and of course, follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.